Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to teach you a simple trick how you can add a gradient background or gradient colored background to your designs and projects on Photopea. Doing this is mind-blowingly simple, and I can assure you, you absolutely don't need any advanced photo or image editing skills whatsoever to pull this off. So with that in mind, drop a like, and now let us get started. So head over to photopea.com. Start a new project, and what you want to do guys next is, so let's say we got an example design like that here with an example text, is select the rectangle tool from the left panel. You will find it here at the bottom. Click on it, and after that draw your rectangle here, starting in the top left corner by pressing and holding a left mouse and by drawing it just like that manually. So that would be our background. So to apply a gradient background color, simply click on that symbol or icon here at the top where it says fill on the color box here and select fill type gradient from that list of fill types, this one here. So select it with your left mouse, and what you want to do after that is, for instance, select the alignment of your gradient effect, like for instance a linear or radial alignment. So that's totally up to you. Adjust the angle below with your left mouse. So let me go with an angle like this here for demonstration purposes. What you want to do after that guys is apply 2 or more colors to your gradient effect. To do that, click on that color box here to the left, and here you will see a slider like that, starting with red here on the left hand side and ending with green on the right hand side. So to apply your custom color, simply click on that small color box below that slider. Let's start with the box here to the left and pick your preferred color. So let me go with blue for demonstration purposes and confirm by clicking on OK here, and repeat the same process with the color here on the right hand side by double clicking on it. So let me go with orange just for demonstration purposes, confirm by clicking on OK here, and as you can see, the gradient effect starting with blue going into or merging into orange color has been applied. So confirm by clicking on OK here, and then last step, I would also recommend to put your gradient background in the background so that it stays actually in the background and your text in the foreground. To do that, select your background here on the right hand side where it says layers and move it here to a lower position so that your text or text layer is now in the foreground. And that's all to it guys. Hope you get some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.